Hello, welcome to my channel. I've got a bit of a different video for you today. I'm going to do an unboxing video, and it is from a newish online retail I've used a couple of times, and it's called Bargain Box. And I have done a previous video, sort of a haul video, but this I'm going to do an unboxing one for you. So this is the box. So we're going to open it together and see what I bought. And I will put all the details in the description box below. Now let's have a look. It's like Christmas, isn't it? Oh, there we go, cutting through the... And delivery from this company is normally quick, but for some reason this time it took a couple of days extra. I think Doubl mislaid my parcel, and then they found it again. I think I should have had it on Tuesday. I've actually got it yesterday, so put all packaging out. I can use that at work for wrapping parcels, so let's see what I've got. So this is organic rosemary oil. I think I bought that last time. I put it on my haul video, and I have been using it. I've been using it on my hair, and I've also been using it on, I've got a patch of psoriasis on my right knee, so I've been using it on there as well. And it seems to be making a little bit of a difference. Let's get rid of the packaging. So this is, how much? It's 100 mils. And it smells really nice, this does. And I love that it's got, it comes with it with a dropper. I think it's separate. Looking at the packaging, it looks really expensive. I can't remember how much it was, but I will look at it and put all the prices in the description box. So that's how it comes. So there's the dropper, and there's the lid, and it's sealed as well. So I won't sort of open that because that'll take a bit of time. So that's rosemary oil, and it smells absolutely delicious. And I use it on my hair once a week, and I also use it, as I said, on my as a skin treatment as well. Just try to put it back in the box. You know what this? Just keep it out of the way. Oh, I'll just give up on that. I'll just put it on the side. Right, next thing we've got is this. And this is a bowl for, you know, when you melting chocolate and you're supposed to use 2 bowls. Well, this is what this is for. So you pop that over your saucepan of boiling water, and you put your chocolate in there to melt it, and then it's got these 2 little pouring lids. So that's great if you're making things like brownies, which I will be tomorrow, and cheesecakes, and you will need to melt the chocolate. Or you could just melt the chocolate and put that on the heat-proof surface, and then dip some strawberries or marshmallows in. That's a really useful item. Pop that away. What else have we got? Oh, Batana oil. Now I've seen this advertised on Instagram, and apparently it's supposed to be really good for your hair. But the ones I've seen advertised are quite expensive. I can't remember how this one was. But it can't be that expensive, because that's why I bought it from Bargain Box. So let's just get, and everything's really nicely sealed as well. I mean, it might be extra plastic, but at least it's sealed so it doesn't spill. So it comes in this lovely box. And that's what it looks like, Batana oil. And this is 100 grams, or 3.4 fluid ounces. So you have to work out what that is in millilitres. Let's just open it up. So it comes sealed. Just try and get that. I don't know what it looks like, so I'm just trying to get that off without spilling it. So that's what it looks like. So although it's an oil, oh, it smells lovely. It's actually sort of a cream. So let's have a look at the texture. That's what it looks like. I'm just going to put some on my hand. Oh, I love the smell of that. Let's just wipe some in my hair. And apparently it's supposed to make your hair grow. So I will update you at some stage if it does make my hair grow. Now I'm going to be doing my hair again in about a month, so I will do a length check to see if that has actually made my hair grow any longer. Just clean up the bits there and pop the lid back on. It smells really nice, and it says it's got natural ingredients. Natural ingredients, moisturising and nourishing, smooth and healthy hair, unrefined. So that's a Batana oil. Oh, and apparently you can use it on your skin as well. So brilliant. What else have we got? Oh, something really exciting here. Tell me what it is. I've got a rock and roll baby. So this is actually an ironing board cover. Wow, how exciting. Because the one that I've got on my ironing board at the moment has got, you know, it's got those drawstrings and you have to pull them and try and tighten them, and you can't really do it with one hand. So this one is quite elasticated, and it's got Velcro on there, so that should fit really nicely on my ironing board. And that's quite a nice pattern as well, nice and floral. Make the ironing more enjoyable. What else have we got? This is a little roll of cord. Now, when I saw it online, I thought it was thicker than this, and I actually wanted it because I sometimes make handbags out of old jeans, and I thought this would be great for the handles, but it's really thin, so that's not I mean, that's what it looks like. That's what I was going to use it for a handle on a handbag. I mean, that's not going to be a handle, is it? Unless I get 3 or 4 and sort of knit them together. So yeah, that was a mistake on my part. I didn't actually read, as usual, I didn't read the description, so I actually don't know what I'm going to do with that. I mean, I won't send it back because it's not worth it, but I know what I could use it for. I could make a little drawstring bag and use that as the pulls. So if I do that, I will update you in another video. So I will find a use for it, or you could use it decorative on an item of clothing or something, some crafty use. I'll find a use for it anyway, but yeah, it's not what I thought it was going to be, because my fault, I didn't really read the instructions properly. And the last item is a big box. Just trying to get it out. Ooh. I know what this is. So that's another box. So let's just open that carefully. Now I think this is some insulated mugs, because I'm told whenever I have a cup of tea, I always leave it till it goes cold, and then I use one of those big, like Stanley cups, and then that's too much tea, if there is such a thing. So that's the box there. So it's got some polished diamond on the top. Oh, these are lovely. Oh, look at those. So there's 4. I'll just show you the one. Absolutely love those. So this would be great for if you have a drink, hot or cold drink, keeping it hot or cold. It's double walled, as you can see. And I think the size is about 350 ml. So you get a decent cuppa in that mug. They're absolutely gorgeous. Now the only thing is I'm going to have to get rid of some mugs out of my cupboard because I've not enough space to fit them in. So I'll probably donate some to the charity shop and I'll use these instead. And I absolutely love drinking tea out of glass mugs. I don't know why. I don't know. I just feel like really bougie and sophisticated drinking out of a see-through mug. So 4 of those insulated mugs, brilliant. And so we had the exciting ironing board cover. Where's the other things that we had? Where's the other thing gone? We had the cord that I thought was actually thicker than that because I wasn't paying attention. We had the lovely Batana oil and the Rosemary hair and skin oil. So that's it, and that's all from Bargain Fox. And I'll put all the detail in the description box below. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.